Welcome to How to Steer. This video is the final tutorial of the 4 essential features in your steer kit and will cover the basics of mapping. The mapping feature really allows you to customize how you use your steer kit. Mapping is available to all subscribing members, and in a nutshell is how you teach your car where to go when using Valet Mode. Mapping only takes a few minutes, and all you need is your car with the installed steer kit and the steer app. It starts very simply by driving up to where you want the starting location or drop-off point to be. In this case, we'll use an office as an example. We pull up in front of the office, open the app, and press Mapping. It starts very simply by driving up to where you want the starting location or drop-off point to be. In this case, we will use an office as our example. We pull up to the front of the office, open the app, and press Mapping. This will show all of the maps you have saved. Press Create a new map, which will open the Steer Mapper tool. Identify what kind of parking lot it is, in this case, a public parking lot, and then hit the Record Path button. From here, you just drive to where you can legally park your car. It may be a short distance or somewhat far away, but make sure that it is somewhere you can normally park. The path you are recording is called the Valet Path, which takes your car to the parking zone. If you pass through any intersections or have to go through a stop sign, make sure you mark it on the map as well. Once you arrive in the parking area, press either the P with the right arrow or left arrow, which tells the car what side of the road it is parking on. You will tell it to look for parking on the right. Keep driving through this zone until you reach the end of the area that the car should look for parking in. Once you reach the end of the zone, press the Record Stop button. Mark that path as the parking path and then park in an available spot at the far end of the parking zone you marked. Next, map the route your car will take back to the building, called the Summon Path. For the Summon Path, drive to the end of the parking zone and hit Record again. Drive the best route back to where you want the pickup zone to be. It is most common to use the same spot as the drop-off zone. Be sure to mark every intersection and stop sign with the stop button as you go. Once you get to the pickup zone, just hit Record Stop and mark that path as your summon path. You can add some notes to your map if you want, or just skip that step and name your map as you see fit. Now you'll see that map in your list of available maps and can view the saved route to and from the parking zone. Next time you visit this location, let Steer park your car for you using your new custom route. That's it! The mapping process is very simple, easy to do, and if done correctly, only needs to happen once. Subscribing members will be able to save private maps for their own use. For your safety and security, all maps are reviewed before being published. As popular areas for Steer users are identified, we will send out a team to create a high-precision public map for anyone to use. Your Steer app will notify you if you arrive in an area with a publicly mapped lot. The Steer mapping feature allows you to autonomously park in any lot that you want to, so get out there and start mapping.